Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find hotspot button. Hold your finger on it to access some of its settings. For example, here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can select its security protocol, here you can change its password. In advanced, you can also change its AP band, and you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. So yeah, and you can also switch your hotspot here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.